Is project stakeholder management a program weak spot? Here's how to fix it. Enterprise projects are intricate ecosystems teeming with activity. From meticulous planning to careful execution, success hinges on the smooth interaction of various players. But often, a crucial element gets overlooked. Project stakeholder management. Project stakeholders, individuals or groups impacted by the project, can make or break its success. Their influence, opinions, and ultimately, their adoption of project changes significantly impact the project's outcome. This video explores why stakeholders are often an overlooked area in project management and the importance of incorporating change management principles for more successful outcomes. The power of project stakeholders, why they matter. What's the definition of a stakeholder in project management? Project stakeholders are individuals or groups who have a vested interest in the project's outcome. They can also determine whether the project succeeds or fails. The standard types of stakeholders in project management are executive sponsors, key stakeholders, end users, also known as impacted individuals, customers. Why is people management in project management a common weak spot? Despite its importance, enterprise project stakeholder management often falls short due to factors like limited stakeholder identification, poor communications, and overlooking change management. Change management for an effective project stakeholder management plan. Change management, the structured process of guiding individuals and teams through transitions, holds the key to effective stakeholder management in projects. Change management principles emphasize understanding stakeholders' needs, concerns, and potential resistance points. Change management fosters building strong relationships with stakeholders through active listening and engagement. Change management helps cultivate a sense of ownership and encourages buy-in by project stakeholders in the project. This ultimately leads to better adoption and sustained change. How change managers improve stakeholder engagement and buy-in. Identify stakeholders and assess impact. Develop a communication plan. Manage expectations. Address concerns proactively. Develop training and support. Monitor and adapt. Prioritizing effective people project management allows you to minimize project risks, maximize project benefits, and build trust and credibility for future changes. Simple, effective enterprise change management software. How do you begin improving stakeholder management in project management at your organization? Use change management software with a built-in project stakeholder management plan. OCMS Portal is a cloud-based change management platform. It includes the tools needed to engage assessment, management, and evaluate project stakeholders effectively. Sign up for a free trial today.